Hello dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video we are going to see applications of derivative, maxima and minima part. That is exercise 2.4, question number 14. Question number 13 तक हमने previous video में किया है. So in this video we are going to start with question number 14, which is on maxima and minima. So what is the question? Find largest size of rectangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius 1 unit so that two vertices of the rectangle are on the diameter of circle. This is a semicircle of radius 1 unit, and here is we have drawn rectangle whose two vertices they are lying on the diameter of the semicircle. Radius of this semicircle is 1 unit, and we are finding here the largest size, that is here we find the largest size of rectangle. That means we have to find the dimensions of this rectangle. So we find what length and breadth of this rectangle, so that the area of this rectangle will be what? Maximum. So first of all, we take dimension. Suppose length of this rectangle is x, length is equal to what? X, and breadth is equal to say y. Let us take length of the rectangle as 2x, so that this is ये circle का center है. Now this O is the center of this circle, so this will be divided into half, that is OA and OB will be equal to what? X. As we have taken length of this rectangle is equal to 2x, तो ये midpoint होगा, so that this will be x and this will be x. So we can consider this rectangle, this right angle triangle, whose sides of the right angle triangle x and y, and the hypotenuse is equals to what? 1, because 1 is the radius of this circle. So हमको एक relation मिलेगा x और y में. So we took length of the rectangle as 2x and breadth of the rectangle is equal to what? Y. So OB is equal to x. So in this right angle triangle, यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा x square plus y square is equal to 1. This relation you are getting, so that we can write y variable in terms of x variable. So y square will be equal to 1 minus x square. This relation we are getting. अभी area of the rectangle. So what will be the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth. So area of the rectangle will be area A is equal to length into breadth, that is 2x into y. That is the area of rectangle. So area square will be equal to 4x square y square, that will be the area square. Now we have y square is equal to 1 minus x square, तो ये y square यहाँ पे हम substitute कर सकते हैं. So that will be 4x square into y square. Y square is क्या है? 1 minus x square. Now simplify this. Area A square is equal to 4x square minus 4x square minus 4. 4 हम बाहर ही रख सकते हैं. So we'll write only x square. 4 we write outside the bracket. यहाँ पे x square minus x to the power 4, that is a square. अभी maxima and minima के लिए हमको first order derivative, what are the steps of maxima and minima. So we find first order derivative, we equate that first order derivative with 0, and we find what? Value of this x variable, value of unknown we find. So we are doing the same. We find first order derivative, differentiate it with respect to x. यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव होगा 2a into dA by dx is equal to 4 constant, derivative of this is 2x minus 4x cube. Now these two we can cancel here, these two we can cancel, and what is left here? A dA by dx is equal to 4 x minus 2x cube. After cancelling these two, we are getting here 4x minus 2x cube. Now dA by dx will be what? First order derivative, dA by dx. We are doing this by using second order derivative test. So dA by dx will be 4x minus 2x cube upon A. Now this first order derivative we equate with 0. So as we want to find the largest size of rectangle, that means maximum area. So dA by dx, so area is maximum, and dA by dx is equal to 0. That means this part is equal to 0. 4x minus 2x cube upon A is equal to 0. That means this x minus 2x cube is equal to 0. That is x minus 2x cube is equal to 0. Further we solve for x. So x we take common from here. यहाँ से हम x कॉमन लेते हैं. So x into 1 minus 2x square is equal to 0. Here x cannot be equal to 0 over here. So therefore this must be equal to 0. Therefore 1 minus 2x square is equal to 0. And you will be getting 2x square is equal to 1. So x square is equal to 1 by 2. X square is equal to 1 by 2, and x is equal to 1 upon root 2. So here we are getting value of this unknown x is equal to what? 1 by root 2. Now we find second order derivative. So we have a into dA by dx is equal to 4x minus 2x cube. We find second order derivative. Therefore differentiating it with respect to x. A derivative of this d square a by dx square plus dA by dx, and again derivative of this product rule we use here. So whole square here, it is 4 1, this derivative minus 6 x square. Further we want to show that d square a by dx square, मतलब second order derivative negative for x is equals to 1 by root 2. This we want to show. So how we can show it? Now as we know dA by dx is equals to 0 for this value x is equals to 1 by root 2. So we should note that dA by dx is equal to 0 for x is equals to 1 by root 2. Now we want to find value of a for x is equals to 1 by root 2. Now as we said, area A is equal to how much? So area A is equal to, here our area A is equal to area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth, that is 2x is the length and breadth is equal to what? Y. But y is equal to what? Here y, it is root of 1 minus x square. So substitute here y. So area is what? 2x, that is length. This is what? Length. And breadth is equal to what? Root of 1 minus. This is y. Y is equal to what? Breadth. That is equals to 1 minus x square root of. अभी x is equals to 1 by root 2 है, तो when x is equals to 1 by root 2, then what is the area? What is the area? So area will be what? 2 1 by root 2 into root of 1 minus 1 by root 2 square. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 and root of that. So which gives us 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, which is equal to what? 1. Area is equal to 1 for this value. X is equals to, for x is equals to 1 by root 2, area A is equals to what? 1. Now look at this equation. ये इक्वेशन में आप देख सकते हैं a d square a by dx square dA by dx whole square is 4 1 minus 6x square. So यहाँ पे हम we substitute x is equals to 1 by root 2. So therefore, but area A is equal to 1. So it is 1 into d square a by dx square plus dA by dx, as x is equals to 1 by root 2, then dA by dx is equals to 0. So therefore it is 0, and the right hand side will be 4 1 minus 6 into x square. So x is equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 square. Here 1 by root 2 square, which is d square a by dx square is equal to 4 1 minus 6. This is 2. 4 into 1 minus 3, which is minus 8. Second order derivative d square a by dx square is what? Negative. Now as the second order derivative is negative, ये second order derivative negative है, इसका मतलब area is what? Maximum. That the size of this rectangle is what? Maximum. Size of the rectangle is what? Large. So therefore dimensions we required. Therefore area is maximum for x is equal to 1 by root 2, that is length is equal to 2x, and it is 2 into 1 by root 2, which is root 2 units, and y, that is breadth, is equal to what? Root of 1 minus x square is y. Y is breadth of this rectangle, and that is equal to root of 1 minus x square, which is 1 minus x square. X is what? 1 by root 2. Its square is this, which is y is equal to 1 by root 2. That means length of the rectangle. We want to find dimensions. So length of rectangle is 2x, and that is equal to how much? Root 2. Breadth is equal to y, and that is equals to what? 1 by root 2. So therefore length is equal to root 2 and breadth is equal to 1 by root 2 units. So largest size of the rectangle will be dimensions of the rectangle. When the area of this rectangle is what? Large, that is maximum. Length is root 2 or breadth is equals to 1 by root 2 units. Look at the question number 15. Let's see question number 15. An open cylindrical tank whose base is a circle to be constructed of metal sheet. This tank is constructed from metal sheet so as to contain, this tank should contain what? Pi a cube cubic centimeter of water. So volume of this is to be pi a cube cubic centimeter of water. Now we find dimensions of this tank, that is radius of this base and height of the tank, that we have to find dimensions. So we find what? Dimensions, so that the material required to construct this tank, that is a metal sheet. So that metal sheet should be what? Required should be minimum. So we want to find dimensions of this tank, so that from which the tank is made up, मतलब जिससे हम टैंक बनाए वो मेटल शीट. so that metal sheet should required, जो material बनाने के लिए that should be required minimum. So for that we find what? Radius and height, that is the dimensions of this tank. Now let's say r is the radius and h be the height of this tank, and the tank is what? Open. This tank is open tank. The top is open. Here this is the base of this tank. So material is required for this, and material is required for this curved surface area. Now what is given? This tank can contain this much cubic centimeter of water. So let me take radius of the base and height of the tank is h. So therefore volume of this tank will be pi r square into h, and this is given that is pi a cube. This is given. Then this pi is getting cancelled over here. So therefore r square h is equal to a cube. Now what is the material required to construct this tank, or the metal sheet required? ये बनाने के लिए जो metal sheet required है. So here metal sheet is not required because the top is open. इसके लिए metal sheet is required, and the area of this is nothing but the sheet required to construct this tank. So area is what? Pi r square, and this curved surface area will be what? 2 pi rh. So total surface area of tank is nothing but metal sheet required. So therefore it is surface area will be what? Area of the base, मतलब pi r square plus curved surface area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r is the circumference, and the height h, that is curved surface area. So this is curved surface area, and this is what? Area of the base. Now we can eliminate h over here. This h we can eliminate from this relation. H is equal to what? H is equal to a cube upon r square. Therefore the surface area A is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. H is equal to a cube upon r square. Now this r is getting cancelled over here. So it is pi r square plus 2 pi a cube upon r. Now as usual we want this metal sheet required, that means the surface area of tank should be what? Minimum. So for minima or maxima we find first order derivative, and that first order derivative we equate with 0, and we get the value of this unknown. Here unknown is what? R. A is given, a cube, this is given, that means a is a constant, not variable it is. So find derivative dA by dr. With respect to r we find derivative 2 pi r. This is the derivative of first 2 pi, and this derivative will be what? A cube into minus 1 upon r square. Derivative of 1 upon r is minus 1 upon r square. Now at a minimum dA by dr is equal to 0. dA by dr is equal to 0. So that means this 2 pi r plus minus it will be 2 pi a cube upon r square is equal to 0. 2 pi is getting cancelled over here. R cube is equal to a cube, therefore r is equal to a. Therefore r is equal to what? A. Now we find what? Second order derivative. So to find second order derivative, see we have first order derivative dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r minus 2 pi a cube r to the power minus 2. Now we find second order derivative. So second order derivative क्या होगा? Second order derivative d square a by dr square, that is 2 pi, this minus and it will be plus 2 pi a cube r to the power minus 3. Derivative of this will be here minus 2 pi a cube, and this derivative will be minus 2 r to the power minus 3. Derivative with respect to r, which is 2 pi plus 4 pi a cube upon r cube. Now our r is equal to a, so therefore r is equal to a. Second order derivative d square a by dr square at r is equal to a is 2 pi plus 4 pi a cube. R is equal to a, so it is again a cube, which is cancelled, and 6 pi it will be, clearly it is greater than 0. Second order derivative at r is equal to a is positive, that means the area means surface area, that means the metal sheet required is what? Minimum. Therefore a is minimum. A is minimum for r is equal to a. Now what is the relation in r and h? Here h is equal to, here r and h. So we find what? We are getting r. Now we find what? H. So we have the relation volume is equal to pi r square into h, pi r square into h, and that is equal to pi a cube is given. So from this pi is getting cancelled, and we have h is equal to here a cube upon r square, but r is equal to a, so a cube upon r square means a square. So again a we are getting. So therefore radius of base is equal to a, and we want to find dimensions of this tank, and height h is equal to also a, height h is equal to also a centimeter. So this is the required answer, that we want to find here radius of the base and the height of the tank, so that the metal sheet required is minimum.